Have you ever wondered if the ghostly figure you thought you saw or the eerie voice you swore you heard could have a scientific explanation? What if ghosts aren't spirits of the dead, but echoes of the past, captured and replayed by the universe itself? Today on Explorando Infinitum, we're exploring the intriguing idea that ghosts might be quantum echoes, a phenomenon deeply rooted in cutting-edge physics and metaphysics. The concept of quantum echoes stems from the idea that the universe operates on quantum principles, tiny particles behaving in ways that defy common sense. According to the work Quantum Recurrence and Echoes by Richter and colleagues, found in the Journal of Physical Review Letters, echoes in quantum systems occur when information from the past is momentarily revived in the present under certain conditions. In simpler terms, quantum systems don't entirely lose information. Instead, they retain traces that can re-emerge, much like an echo bouncing off the walls of a canyon. Could it be that ghostly phenomena are echoes of past events, playing back due to the quantum properties of our universe? Many theories about ghosts revolve around energy imprints. These suggest that intense emotional or physical events, such as a tragic death, can leave an energetic stamp on the environment. This concept aligns with the work titled Residual Hauntings, Energy and Memory Theory by Roll and Persinger, featured in the Journal of Parapsychology. This idea posits that certain environments, like stone buildings or locations with high electromagnetic activity, act like recording devices. They capture and replay events under specific conditions, much like a tape recorder. This might explain why some hauntings seem to repeat the same actions over and over. To understand how these echoes might work, we need to dive into quantum entanglement and superposition. Entanglement, famously described by Einstein as his spooky action at a distance, occurs when particles become linked, so the state of one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. Superposition, on the other hand, allows particles to exist in multiple states simultaneously. Research like Quantum Entanglement and Memory States by Horodecki et al. In the Journal of Reviews of Modern Physics suggests that information stored in entangled systems might not be bound by the limits of time. If the physical universe retains these entangled quantum states, could the so-called ghost phenomena be manifestations of events encoded in the quantum field? For instance, a location with strong emotional or energetic imprints could create a kind of quantum memory. When the conditions are right, say changes in electromagnetic fields or atmospheric conditions, these imprints might play back, creating what we perceive as ghostly apparitions. The environment may play a crucial role in these phenomena. Studies in geophysics and quantum physics indicate that materials like quartz or limestone can interact with electromagnetic fields, potentially amplifying stored information. This ties into the research Geophysical Factors in Apparitional Phenomena by Michael Persinger, featured in the Journal of Neuroscience Letters. Persinger's studies show that fluctuating electromagnetic fields can influence the human brain, particularly the temporal lobe. This is the part of the brain associated with memory and perception. It's possible that these fields not only play quantum echoes, but also make us more sensitive to perceiving them. Imagine an old house with high quartz content in its walls and significant electromagnetic activity. Under the right conditions, it might act as a natural amplifier for these quantum echoes, creating ghostly phenomena that people experience. Additionally, weather phenomena such as thunderstorms, which heighten electromagnetic activity, could act as triggers, setting the stage for these echoes to manifest. This interplay between the environment and quantum echoes provides a compelling scientific foundation for ghostly phenomena, highlighting how both natural and man-made factors might contribute to these eerie experiences. So how does all this tie together? If ghosts are quantum echoes, they might be remnants of events, emotions, or even people recorded in the quantum fabric of reality. Under the right conditions, these echoes become perceptible to us as apparitions, sounds, or feelings. This theory doesn't just rely on physics, it bridges the gap between science and spirituality, offering a framework that respects both perspectives. The research Quantum Gravity and the Role of the Continuum by Ashtekar and colleagues, published in the Journal of Classical and Quantum Gravity, proposes that spacetime itself may not be continuous, but rather granular at incredibly small scales. When quantum events disrupt this granular structure, it could theoretically create ripples or distortions that replay past information, much like a cosmic record player. Imagine these distortions as temporary bridges between moments in time. These bridges could explain why ghosts often seem tied to specific locations or events. The granular framework Ashtekar describes adds another dimension to our understanding of how the quantum fabric of reality might enable phenomena we perceive as hauntings. While we may not have definitive proof, the convergence of quantum mechanics, environmental factors, and human perception provides a compelling explanation for ghostly encounters, grounded in science yet open to metaphysical interpretations. What do you think? Could quantum physics explain ghostly encounters, or are these just tricks of the mind? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the quantum side of the paranormal, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow explorers of the unknown. And as always, purge Explorando Infinitum, for in every question lies the spark of discovery.